अगर आप खबरों को थोड़ा भी ध्यान से देखते हैं तो आपने सीएए के बारे में तो सुना ही होगा, पर क्या वाकई आप सीएए को पूरी तरह से जानते हैं? चलिए आज इस वीडियो में सीएए को थोड़ा करीब से जानते हैं। आखिर क्यों इस कानून ने 2 ही दिन में पूरे भारत को हिला के रख दिया है। हेलो आरजे फैमिली, सो टुडे वी विल गेट टू नो व्हाट इज सीएए। Citizenship Amendment Act 2019 was passed by Parliament of India on 11 December 2019. ये पहली बार नहीं हुआ है, इसे आज से पहले भी 9 बार अमेंड किया गया है। It amended the Constitution Act of 1955 by providing an accelerated pathway to Indian citizenship for persecuted religious minority from Pakistan, Afghanistan and Bangladesh. It is specifically for individuals who entered India on or before 31st December 2014 and belonging to Hindu, Sikh, Buddhist, Jain, Parsi or Christian community from Pakistan, Afghanistan and Bangladesh. Now, the very first question arises that why 2014 is chosen. So, India की citizenship लेने के 5 ways हैं: birth, descent, registration, naturalization and incorporation of any territory. इनमें से एक है naturalization. So, according to naturalization, 14 साल में से आपको 11 years इंडिया में रहना होगा और when you apply for citizenship preceding 12 months, he has either reside in India or been in the service of Government of India. Now, according to 2019 amendment, it is decreased to 6 years for the 6 minority caste which I mentioned previously. So, from 2019, if we calculated 6 years, it is 2014. So, migrants who had entered India by 31st December 2014 and has suffered religious persecution in their country of origin were made eligible for the citizenship. According to Intelligence Bureau record, there will be just over 30,000 beneficiaries of the Act. Till now, in my knowledge, there is no wrong. But this amendment has been criticized as discriminatory on the basis of religion, particularly for excluding Muslims. It is quoted as many Muslim citizens stateless as they don't have stringent birth and identity proof. But इस पे इंडियन गवर्नमेंट का कहना है that since Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bangladesh have Islam as their state religion, it is therefore unlikely that Muslim would face religious persecution there. And now also India में मुस्लिम को और अदर रिलीजन को सिटीजनशिप नहीं मिलेगी ऐसा नहीं है, बस आपके लिए पहले वाले ही रूल रहेंगे, that 11 years plus 12 months. And on 11th March 2024, the Ministry of Home Affairs officially announced the rules for the Citizenship Amendment Act. So now I am leaving you with some questions. अब आप ही बताइए, CA discriminatory है या फायदेमंद? Is CA approved by Supreme Court? Can CA be challenged in court? If you want me to tell you regarding this, then tell me in comment section. I will definitely share my knowledge. Till then, keep watching and keep learning.